everybody, and welcome back to Living Large Camping. We are just outside of Jefferson, Colorado. We're at about 10,000 feet elevation. We got some sunshine here, and it's going to be a beautiful night here at camp.
It feels incredible in the sun. The wind is picking up a little bit as a storm is going to blow in a couple days, so we wanted to get in some beautiful camping, and I mean, these views are absolutely unreal.
We were kind of under the weather the last couple of days, so a little bit of rest, some time away from the camera, and we are feeling much better.
So much better.
And just excited for a great night here. So hope you'll enjoy this video. If you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and let's enjoy camp. Camp set up. Well, we pulled into the first spot that was available, which was spot number 1 down this road, because the snow was getting rather deep, as you saw. I almost got stuck a little bit back there. So I think now, since it's nice and sunny and warm out, we're gonna walk the road and just make sure spots 2 or 3 aren't just that much better. Doesn't really seem like anybody else is here, but there are some fairly fresh tracks, but it is a Monday, so we probably had some people here on the weekend and then headed back today, but we're gonna keep walking this road because it feels incredible in the sun. So we're staying at a place called Bruno Gulch Dispersed Camping. There's 10 or so sites. Most of them are in this kind of big empty parking lot type area. Looks like there's some horse trails and some stalls that people can tie up over here for. I think we're gonna go back, make some lunch, and just soak it all up. Not a bad place to spend Valentine's Day.
Nope, not a bad spot at all. It's gorgeous. We lucked out with the weather. We're just gonna enjoy it. So, as usual, I have a little bit of service, Connor has none, and we looked at the weather just to be careful, and it shows a little bit of snow. And it looks like snow, so we'll see if we get any.
I'm thinking we are.
You coming?
Whew, it feels great in here.
Sit. It's looking stormy outside. We're gonna make some lunch. They'll just be super simple wraps. I forgot it's all still in the car, so let's get that first. Then we're gonna make some lunch. Lunch is served with a beautiful view.
And it wouldn't be right to not have flowers on Valentine's Day.
We're a day early, but they're beautiful and they fit in our cup holder.
The storm is rolling in pretty quick, but we're gonna hang out here and just kind of watch it and see what happens. It's definitely getting gray outside and colder.
They smell very good. Thank you. Smell the flowers? You can see it rolling in. There, right there. You can barely see the mountain in the background. Inkamook. just enjoying the snowfall, and Barkley knocked over a whole water, so we're just reorganizing and drying everything off.
Thankfully our cushions are outdoor waterproof material. And thankfully we just filled up our propane and the battery's topped off, so we should be good to go.
He's so cute.
Just watching the snow.
Yeah, slowing down a little bit. Now we're gonna sit outside because the sun came out a little bit and enjoy a cocktail. Tonight we're gonna be making a spicy whiskey mule. So let's get to it. Here's a little bar set up. Start chopping.
Muddled for extra spice.
Extra spicy. Extra spicy.
Happy Valentine's Day.
Happy Valentine's Day. That's good. Oh my gosh.
Oh.
Good boy.
I don't know how long it's gonna last out here. The clouds are starting to roll back in, but soak it up while we can.
You're welcome.
Just want to show how deep the snow is. So I wanted to show how deep the snow is over here, but my pants are cold and my boots are wet now, so it's a good thing we have a nice warm camper to go back to. Alright, so it's starting to drop pretty quick outside. As you can see, it's 31 outside and it's just over 55 degrees in here, but it's also getting close to dinner time, so we're going to start whipping up some lettuce wraps using ground beef, onion, carrot, can of rotel, and then just whatever else makes it taste good. First things first, let's get the meat browned.
So tonight we are making lettuce cups, a little Asian flair because we didn't want to do another soup. So we had some leftovers with ground beef, rotel, onion, and carrot, and we put some soy sauce and a little bit of maple syrup. So I think it's going to be delicious.
Great.
Sweet. So the dishes are clean. The one good thing about winter camping is that we try to make our meals in one pot. Makes cleanup at the end very easy. Now we're just gonna put all of them away and play some cards. All right, it's getting pretty snowy and white outside, but nice and warm in the camper. I mean, look at this. You can barely even see any of the mountains, especially the one back there. But we're having a great day and a great night. We're gonna go finish it off with some cards. Game on. Well, cards was fun. We're reading in bed because it is much cozier and warmer up here. It is about 22, I believe, outside. Temperature inside shows about 48 or 50, so we're doing really good.
I'll see you guys in the morning for coffee. Hopefully a warm sunrise.
Good night, guys.
Good night. Guys, it is very windy outside right now, and it's still about 20 degrees, so packing up to leave this spot, it's not going to be any fun, but we got our coffee. We're trying something new today, using instant coffee, and then we also picked up an electric kettle. It only draws 500 watts and takes like less than 3 minutes to boil water. And something we found, spending so much time in the snow camping right now, is that propane is much more important than 1 or 2% on our battery. So we're going to try that out, see if we like it for the next couple days, and makes it easy so far.
Right, don't be fooled by the blue skies because it looks very warm, but it is not. It is about 20 degrees out, very, very windy this morning. So the drive to a new camp spot is going to be a little challenging, but we'll be okay. Just take it slow. But this spot is absolutely gorgeous. We had a good night's sleep. We stayed warm, And that's really all that matters. Alrighty, the bed is all made. And it is time to start packing up and putting the loose items in the car because the wind is picking up. How's it feel out there?
It's cold, but blue skies, which means it's going to be a pretty drive.
I just said that we were packing up because it's getting windy.
Very windy. That's going to do it for us this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed coming along with us as we snow camped at 10,000 feet in our truck camper. I think it performed flawlessly.
Yeah, I mean, stayed so warm. I wasn't even cold once last night, so it's pretty impressive.
It's working great. I checked the propane tank today, and it doesn't even show that it's moved off of full, which means it's probably about a fifth down because the gauge isn't super accurate. But either way, if you enjoyed this video, please let us know and hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, and leave us a comment if you liked watching us snow camp.
And thanks for watching every time.
We are headed down the mountain right now to about 8,000 feet elevation because we're supposed to get 6 or 8 inches of snow and the low is 0. So stay tuned for next video. We're gonna see if this camper holds up in 0-degree weather.
I know, we're crazy. Let us know how crazy you think we are in the comments because we're still doing it.
Hope you have a large day.
Bye, guys.